The year is 2742. Humanity, having exhausted Earth's resources, had spread to the stars. Among the many colonies established across the galaxy, New Saturn was unique. It wasn't a planet, not really. It was a colossal, meticulously engineered structure, a testament to humanity's ingenuity. A Dyson sphere encasing Saturn itself. Inside, life flourished, mimicking the conditions of Earth with remarkable precision. But the colony's most prized possession wasn't its advanced technology or its abundant resources. It was its very foundation, Saturn. The planet itself, a celestial marvel, was the heart of New Saturn. Dr. Eris Thorne, the colony's lead astrophysicist, stood on the observation deck, gazing at the ringed giant through a panoramic viewport. His wrinkled face, etched with years of dedicated research, held a wistful smile. He'd spent his life studying Saturn, its rings, its moons, but it was a single fact that always fascinated him above all others: Saturn's density, lower than water. He remembered his first lesson on the subject, a child's wonder mixed with disbelief. "It could float," his teacher had exclaimed, prompting giggles and wide-eyed amazement. Now, decades later, Dr. Thorne wasn't just contemplating the fact, he was living it. New Saturn's very existence hinged on this seemingly paradoxical truth. The colossal structure, a masterpiece of engineering, delicately cradled Saturn, using advanced gravitational manipulation to maintain its position. The sphere wasn't just a habitat, it was a giant, carefully calibrated container, preventing Saturn from drifting off into the void. A sudden alarm jolted Thorne from his reverie. A system malfunction. A tremor ran through the structure, causing the panoramic viewport to vibrate violently. Thorne rushed to the central control room, his heart pounding. On the main screen, he saw the data. A gradual, but significant, shift in Saturn's position. It was drifting. Panic surged through the room. The scientists worked frantically, trying to regain control of the gravitational fields. Thorne, drawing on decades of experience, devised a daring plan. He proposed to use the rings themselves, a vast reservoir of ice and rock, to counterbalance the drift. By carefully adjusting the gravitational fields on specific sections of the rings, they could create a counterforce, stabilizing Saturn. It was a risky maneuver, but it was their only chance. Hours later, after a tense and intense operation, the alarm finally ceased. Saturn was stable once more. Thorne, exhausted but relieved, leaned against the control panel, his gaze drifting back to the panoramic view. Saturn, the giant that could float, continued to be the heart of New Saturn, a constant reminder of the incredible wonders of the universe and the boundless ingenuity of humankind. The planet, held safely within its artificial cradle, continued its silent journey through the cosmos,